Hey, good morning, everyone. My name is Sherry Ajora, sales consultant and planner for Brampton. Today, the truck I have is a 2024 Ford F150 Lightning XLT standard battery range. This beautiful truck comes with beautiful front lights. It has a frunk because it's an electric vehicle, so it got front space for your tools, groceries, and stuff. As you go to the side, you can see 20-inch wheels, 360 cameras, standard on these. As you go inside the passenger side, be able to see your beautiful, spacious cab. Huge speakers on the doors. As you go to the back of this truck, see your spacious back seat, your AC vents. This beautiful truck comes with the bed liner already installed in it. As you go to the driver's side of this vehicle, you get your 12-inch LCD, you get your digital cluster, you get your mobile office package with it. You get your front heated seats. It is equipped with all safety features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control. So if you're interested in this, please give me a call back at 647-679-0917. Thank you very much and have a good day.